If you're coming from a country that doesn't have access to the TikTok Creativity Better program, and you need to make money with Creativity Better program, I recommend watching this video until the end, without buying an account from anyone. I show you how to join this program in any country all over the world. Step 1. Download VPN. Paid VPNs work better than free ones. I recommend using VPN Brazil because it is free and easy to use. After downloading VPN Brazil from Play Store or App Store, restart your device. Then open VPN, choose American location on the VPN. Create a new brand email and install TikTok app. To create account, go to Google and search TikTok.com, then create account with email. Don't use your phone number when creating account, because TikTok track through phone numbers and IP address to understand your country. Log into the TikTok app and watch videos related to your niche for the 24 hours. Start uploading videos regularly without giving up. Another step: uploading. A large percentage of creators give up hope of uploading a video to get few views. Don't give up. And this happens when creators upload the first video believing they will get many views. Now you are monetizing TikTok account. Upload 10 videos in 5 days. You will see good results. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get various information.